Preen?
I've been talking to one of your Physicians Associate students.
You did, yes.
It's a postgraduate course, of course, and we have the issue in Wales of postgraduate loans not being available. I have the email from government, which came a day after I raised this in the Assembly, so clearly taking all the credit. But how difficult has it been having that postgraduate course for jobs that we need in the NHS, but without having that student finance support in place?
Well, that last in particular you're talking about has struggled really. I mean, she struggled hard with that one. I'm still struggling, I think, to some extent. That's why I'm very grateful that you've helped her with that. The money side is important, of course, because these guys are not earning a huge amount of money. I mean, the government has given us fees, so they paid for the course, which is great. So they're not out of pocket that much, but it's another 2 years on top of of graduating. So there are financial penalties. But of course, at the end, providing they get through the national exams and Bangor's exams, they have an opportunity to earn £30,000–35,000 a year, which is reasonable money for people who are coming out after 5 years. But the issue of costs is a constant pressure on all of them. Apart from the privileged few who have enough money to one side, most of them are watching their pennies, and it's not the best place to be. Of course, these jobs didn't come with golden handcuffs, and my concern is they might disappear at the end. So I've got to hope that the salary they get at the end is actually competitive with what they could get in England.
But certainly this announcement today is welcome.
Good, thank you, yes, thank you.
Great.